two island, two action cameras, and absolutely no big camera gear. Could I really vlog an entire trip with just GoPro Hero 9 and the DJI Action 2? Let's find out.
I go back and forth just hesitating, cause you'll be fine. You can have whatever you can take.
When I packed for my trip to Siquijor and Bohol, I wanted to travel light. No bulky cameras, no gimbals, just compact gear that fits in my pocket. So, I brought only these two, the GoPro Hero 9 and the DJI Action 2.
I'm aware you're not aware. Oh honey, could you help me try?
In Siquijor, I explored the hidden spots like Nabutay Forest and Liloan Beach. I used the DJI Action 2 for POV shots on my motorcycle and the GoPro Hero 9 for those wide cinematic beach moments.
I'll let you be the one that got away. I'm coming back, yeah. Oh, I just wanna meet you where you're at, yeah. Come tearing through me like a heart attack, yeah. No, darling, not today, cause there's no way I'll let you be the one that got away. You are the only one. I cannot let you go. You're not so far away. Oh, could you please come home? Lock me out and throw away the key. I can't breathe. Run until you're barely out of reach. Help me, please. I can't find a reason, even though when your heart was melting like December snow, begging me not to follow, baby, don't. You fill up my lungs with false open. I freeze in mid-air. I wanna be so complete with you. I keep coming back, yeah. Oh, I just wanna meet you where you're at, yeah. Come down through me like a heart attack, yeah. No, darling, not today, cause there's no way I'll let you be the one that got away. I'm coming back, yeah. Oh, I just wanna meet you where you're at, yeah. Come tearing through me like a heart attack, yeah. No, darling, not today, cause there's no way I'll let you be the one that got away. You are the only one. I cannot let you go. You're not so far away. Oh, could you please come home? Such a fool to think that I did deserve to love you, with a careless and a selfish heart, trying to hold a million tiny pieces that I know I broke. No, I broke. No, I keep coming back, yeah. Oh, I just wanna meet you where you're at, yeah. Come down through me like a heart attack, yeah. No, darling, not today, cause there's no way I'll let you be the one that got away. I'm coming back, yeah. Oh, I just wanna meet you where you're at, yeah. Come tearing through me like a heart attack, yeah. No, darling, not today, cause there's no way I'll let you be the one that got away. You are the only one that got away. Let you go.
Next stop, Bohol. From Loboc River to the Chocolate Hills, I used the same two cams. And honestly, I didn't feel like I missed my mirrorless camera.
Falling down, but we are unbroken. I'm so afraid of letting go, 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 go. And I swear I've always known you would be the one I found. And I heard your voice cry out with such a sweet familiar sound. to find my purpose, cause I feel upside down. There's a face in the mirror I think I know. I guess I'm starting to see some things that I never thought I would. There ain't no looking away, you're who you are. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'm a hold on till I can't let go. So I just stop and say. I wanna see a familiar face and a friend to take my hand. Sometimes a little bit lost gets a little bit found. You can lose yourself and your faith will come washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'm a hold on till I can't let go. So I'll just stop and say.
For aerial views, I use the DJI Mini 2 and the DJI Neo, but all around level shots were action cam only. No tripods, no lenses, just adventures.
You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes and all the numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say. So I'll just stop and say. Till I can't let go.
Which one did better? The GoPro Hero 9, great color, reliable, simple to use. DJI Action 2, super compact, magnetic mount, awesome POV shots. Honestly, both have strengths. I love the GoPro Hero for static shots, but the Action 2 wins for creativity, angles, and portability. So, can you vlog an entire 2-island trip with just action cameras? Absolutely. You don't need too fancy gear, you need the right story, the right light, and just enough courage to press the record. Shoutout to Puncube Mech wallet, my favorites everyday carry, and the Lensgo Smoke Go, the tiniest fog machine for cool shots. If you are planning your own trip, don't stress about gear. These tiny cams are more powerful than you think. Hit like, drop a comment if you want more action cam tips, and don't forget to subscribe.